This particular channel has gotten some 3,000 subscribers for the last 30 days, 3.2 million views, and 788 to 30,000 monthly estimated earning, as you can see on the screen. I know most of you will be wondering, what kind of content are they really creating? Yes, they are not creating something that is abstract. They are not creating things that are difficult. In fact, let me show you what they are actually creating. As you can see on the screen, most of their content is just about finance, and it is a stick man type of content, right? It is a stick man kind of content. And in this video, I want to show you how you can successfully clone this channel. This channel is based in the USA, but I want to show you, even though you are in Nigeria, I want to show you how you can clone this channel and make content like this, and also start making money like this. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejogba, and in my channel I create helpful tips like this. So if you find it helpful at the end of the day, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. So let's go straight to the point. Like I said, this channel has earned this amount of money, $2.8K to $45,000 yearly estimated earning. Now, for you to be able to get something like this, the very first thing you do is for you to move on to ChatGPT. Right now, in ChatGPT, what you do is you change to a deep research. Right, you go on to a research mode where you are going to ask it any question of your choice, and you say, I want to create content. I want to create content like casual finance. I want to create content like casual finance on YouTube. Give me team on it. Then you paste the channel link. Excuse me. What you do is you paste the channel link right there. Right, so you paste the channel link that you copy. So this is the casual finance, and I'm going to send in my prompts for ChatGPT now to actually give me what I want. So now this is says inspired by. So this is how it is, and these are some of the themes you can work on. Like for business deep dives, it has a high viral potential, and you can see some of the topics here. Why Costco makes more money for membership than groceries, and the rest. Why Zara can make fashion faster than anyone else, right? And there are a lot of themes which you want to choose. Now, what you simply do is either you choose one of these themes, it's either you choose any of these themes. So let's say for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the industry breakdown, right? I'm going to be choosing industry breakdown. So this is going to be theme number 5. Now I will say, okay, I choose industry breakdown. I choose industry breakdown, right? Which is number 6. Okay, which is number 5. Now this is where it gets really interesting. After getting this, the next thing you have to do is what is known as scripting. Now when it comes to casual finance scripts their videos by themselves. But if you're someone that you don't actually have a knowledge about that stuff, but you still want to create video based on that topic, because it has a high chance of you going viral, what you simply do is you still go back to ChatGPT, still take it to ChatGPT, says I choose industry breakdown. Now what you do is you say, this industry breakdown, you do something like this. You say, give me a script. Now I'm just saying this, give me a script, because I just want to make it in this particular video. If you are really serious, I'm going to be sharing with you. Just say I am interested. Just say I am interested in the comment section, and I'm going to share with you my master prompt video, my master script writing prompt, right? My master script writing prompt that is going to give you a high detailed and a viral script, a script that will likely go viral, right? I've been using it over time, and it has really been helping me. So after it says give me a script based on the first topic there, based on the first title there, based on the first title, right? Based on the first word title, how airlines actually make money. So this is what ChatGPT is giving to us. It says, Hook, have you ever paid $500 dollars for a plane ticket and wondered where all that money goes. Now this is the very first hook, right, which helps to keep your viewers to continue watching. Right now, after getting this, what you need again, the next thing you need is your voiceover, because you need a voiceover. Most of the time, maybe your voice is not that good, your voice, the accent you are using isn't that all nice, so you want something that people from the US can also watch because you are targeting the US. What you simply do next is you choose any text to speech platform. It can be Level Labs, it can be Speechman, it can be AI33 Pro. Now, one good thing about AI33 Pro is that on AI33 Pro you can clone your voice, so you just need to make a clone. So let's say let me just show you AI33 Pro. On AI33 Pro, you can just simply make a clone of your voice, and that is how you are going to get any video or any voiceover of your choice using your own particular voice. On this particular platform known as AI33 Pro, also you can access 11 Labs, and also on this particular platform you can also access what they call Minimax, right? So this is just how it is. So this is 11 Labs. You can see Minimax, you can see Edge, right? And you can also decide to clone your voice on this particular platform. So as you can see, it says clone voice, so you can decide to clone your voice on this particular platform. That is just how it is. So after that, after getting that, what you do is you go there to ChatGPT, you come back to ChatGPT and you copy that particular text, and you take it back there again and you paste, right? You paste it, and this is what you are going to get. And after that, you generate your voiceover. But for me, I have to log in order for me to actually enjoy this, but I'm just showing you for the purpose of this class so that you can know what to do. And after generating your voice, the next thing you need is the matching visuals, right? You need the matching visuals in order for you to let people know, okay, this is what I am talking about and this is what I am talking about, right? After that, there are a lot of platforms you can use for your visuals. You can either use Hoyan videos, you can either use Funny AI, you can use VO3, you can use Grok. Now, for those of you that have been looking for ways to be able to get Grok, I have made a video on how you can be able to get Sedans, and how you can be able to get Grok, and also how you can be able to get Google VO3, like VO3, right? All of them in one particular platform. So make sure you check out that particular video and watch it, because that video is really, really important, especially for those of us that want to level up our content game, right? That you move on to, so let's just choose any of the platform. You can decide to use Google Flow, so you can decide to use Flow, right? And you just enter Google Flow. So this is for Google, and what you are going to get. So let's just say you scroll. Now for Google Flow, I think we have to sign in order for we to actually enjoy this. But this particular platform known as Funny AI, this particular platform that is known as Funny AI, what we simply do is, since it's text to video, what we do is we remove all of this, because I was actually using it to generate a video, right? So you just come here and you paste that prompt. This is the prompt we have, right? And what you do is you scroll down and you click on generate, right? You generate. Now this platform, why we are seeing it is telling us to get a star, is because I've already generated a lot of videos. So for those of us that have multiple emails, they can use it to access this, or you can check out the ones that I've made, especially the one you can use Google VO3, you can use Sedans, and you can use Grok, and also another platform that is known as Hoyan Video.org, right? So after make sure you generate your image, and make sure also you generate your voiceover, right? You can do it for all of them. As you can see, there are a lot of the script, right? So you can do it each of them one by one for all of them. The next thing you do is you come down and you move on to CapCut, right? You open your CapCut and you paste in those things that you have done, from your images to your voiceover. So after choosing your theme, you have to script, right? Get your voiceover, get the matching visuals, then you move on and to CapCut, right? This is where you are going to drag everything and drop, be it the voiceover, be it the matching visuals, edit your videos and post it on YouTube. That is just how it is. And this is how you can be able to clone any channel at all. This is the exact steps I'll be using to clone any successful channel that I know that, okay, I want to model this particular channel. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you hit on the red subscribe button, and also drop it in the comment section if you have learned something at the end of this video. And for those of you that have been looking for ways to get CapCut Pro, make sure you watch my video. I've shown you how you can be able to get CapCut Pro, and after watching that video, make sure you chat me, because you cannot just get the link from Google Play Store. And if you're also looking for ways to get my master prompt scripting template, then also make sure you chat me on WhatsApp so that you can get it. Thank you.